In section Appendix D, you're going to be introduced to sets, Venn diagrams, and some set operations. And the first type of examples you'll be describing sets in different ways. So number one is actually given to you in set builder notation. We want to express it using the roster method, and a roster method is going to look like a set of brackets, and then you're going to list the elements that the set is referring to. So the set of all x's such that x is a month that ends with the letters BER. We would get the specific examples: September, October, November, and December. And notice all of those ending in BER, so you've got the specific examples or the specific elements that fit in that set. Use brackets, separate them with commas. If you look over at number one that was already worked, express the set using the roster method. Set is the set of U.S. states whose names begin with the letter A. Now this was in just a description, and they changed it to roster method. So description is a lot more casual. It's just a sentence that describes it. Set builder notation uses the set brackets, gives you a variable, and gives you a description of the elements. And roster method is set brackets, elements are separated with commas. Okay, so number two says true or false. The set, and you notice that we have a set containing the empty set and 0 is the empty set. Well, that would be false. The only way that we can describe the empty set would be with empty brackets or the empty set symbol. Okay. Number three, use the Venn diagram to represent in roster form the set of elements in set A. So set A is going to be everything within the circle A, which would be the numbers 1, 3, 4, and 7. Number 4 says let U be A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Set A is A, G, and H. Find a complement. Now a complement means everything that's in the universal set, but it's not in A. So we would have to take out A, G, and H. So a complement contains B, C, D, E, and F. 5A, find the intersection. Intersection means what we have in common between these two sets. So notice that G and H are in both sets. So the intersection of the two sets would be the set containing G and H. Find the intersection between this set and the empty set. Well, they don't have any elements in common. So a set that would be no elements is still considered the empty set. If I want to find the union, union is every element contained in this set or this set. So we have an A, a G, and an H, and we've listed every single element appearing in either of those sets. The union sign usually you can replace that with the word or. So it's in this set or this set. The intersection symbol, which is intersection, you use the word and, meaning it has to be in one set and in the other set. So here we have find the union of AGH in the empty set. We're listing every element that appears in one or the other. So that would be A, G, H, and obviously this one doesn't have any elements. Notice the difference between 6B where we combined them, listing all the elements, it was the union, and 5B where we intersected them, they had none in common.